This is one of my favorite remedies for smooth, soft, supple skin, not only in the wintertime but all year around. Hi guys, my name is Immy and I'm your internet beauty pharmacist. I love absolutely everything related to beauty, and on my channel I share a ton of DIYs, lots of tips and tricks, as well as lifestyle rituals which I follow personally and really believe in. I would love for you guys to stick around and be part of my Immyans family as I upload every single week, and I love to experiment and try new products. So I would love to know what you guys want to see and want me to try. So let me know in the comments below and let's move right into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a face mask with you guys, which is so effective for dry skin. It's also great for combination skin as well. You can absolutely use it for all skin types. But if you do have oily skin, it might be a bit heavy. So I will tell you guys an alternative as well, so don't feel left out. So what you need for this remedy is ripe bananas. Ripe bananas are so great, not only at plumping up your skin, but they are also great at anti-aging. So they will actually help remove wrinkles from your face, especially underneath your eyes or your like around your mouth. This has helped me a lot because I suffer from dry, flaky skin, and recently I had a skin reaction where my skin got really dry and flaky, and has helped me so much. So the other thing you need is thickened cream, or the cream that I'm actually using is my homemade cream. So if you are an oily skinned girl, you can use natural Greek yogurt. You can use the one without fat in it, and that will actually give you the same effects. So the cream is so rich in fats but also lactic acid, and lactic acid will actually naturally exfoliate your skin but in a very gentle way. So you want to mash up the banana, you want to mash up the cream together, and you want to make it into this delicious mask. And the third ingredient which I add to my mask is some honey. So if you've got raw honey, definitely add that. And I feel like honey like really locks in the moisture, because honey is also antibacterial. It's like, I feel like it helps with my pimples as well. And this treatment has been amazing for nighttime, but also during the day before makeup. So I actually did this treatment just before I put my makeup on, and can you see the glow on my skin? It's just like a natural glow from within. And I actually recommend you guys to do this every second day if you've got dry skin, or even if you suffer from eczema. I can like guarantee that it will give you smooth, plump, wrinkle-free, supple skin within minutes. So when I do apply this mask, I leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. You can leave it for up to 30 minutes if you want, and then I just wash it right off. You don't have to cleanse or anything, but I recommend if you've got like really dry skin, apply moisturizer afterwards. If you've got like combination or oily skin, you can actually skip the moisturizer and just let it be, and you are all done. Your skin is gonna look plump and silky and soft and amazing. And I want you guys to let me know what you guys want to see next in the comments section below, so please do that. And if you do try this remedy out, feel free to tag me on Instagram and I would love to share it on my stories. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.